Hello friends, I am Arpita. Welcome to our channel Jharna Gallery. For today's drawing, we will need these materials. You can buy these from the link given in the description below. Hope you are all well. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. At first, I drew the outline sketch of the drawing. This tutorial is for beginners. Watch the full video and try to draw it. If you are enjoying this video, then please like the video and share it with your friends. Your support helps me create more drawings like this. Whenever you want to draw something, search Jharna Gallery in YouTube and get so many beautiful scenery and subject drawings with easy drawing steps. The outline drawing is complete. Now it's time to color it. I am using oil pastel colors and color pencil to color it. Normally I use Dome's oil pastel colors. You can use any type of oil pastel colors that you have. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I upload new content every week and I don't want you to miss out. Also, I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Let me know what you think of this video, what topics you want me to cover next, or any questions you have for me. I read all your comments and I will definitely reply to you. the drawing is almost complete. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Thank you so much for watching till end. See you in another new video. For now, you can follow me on social media. Links are in description below. Thank you. Take care.